Eddie? Onitsha will be different.
Are you serious?
Oh yes. The owners of the park made me understand that those that were running it initially, they were behaving like touts. And that will only make all over the place. They wanted somebody to more put together. That is why they contacted me.
Of course we are gentlemen. Are we not?
So I DJ to be very different from what we have done in this community with all these men.
Okaka. Hi! Obi!
One.
One.
Eddie!
This one, are you surprised of seeing me?
Nah, I'm kissing for the one. I have to.
Relax.
Relax. Okay. My brother, I'm here to tell you something. You see, we need to sit like brothers. Yes. We don't need to tear ourselves apart just because of worldly things. I've been thinking, what will it profit me to push a brother's table where he feeds on? I see it as a sin. So after having all those thoughts, I decided to come here to tell you, come and take your pack. My hands are off. I have a bigger offer somewhere. That pack, I don't need it anymore. Please, just come and take it. Let's be like brothers.
Okay. But we're also aware that the local government chairman, your bosom friend, have been thrown out of that office. Is that why you are also leaving the park and you want us to come back and take over?
No, not at all. Not at all. You see, just like I told you, I've gotten a bigger offer. And Nkiru, that girl Nkiru, I've broken her arms. She's out of that park. Do you know, we'll meet a particular man to her. Yes. So now that the chairman is no more there, so she has no power over that park again. So if that is what you're afraid of, I will assure you about that. Just come and take the park. Because you and I know that that girl, she parades herself with almost little contact. She thinks she has, but she's coming here.
I've heard your kaka. Thank you for finding it in you to come all the way. I must say that I am surprised as much as I am impressed. But I hope you also know that the events of life is not static. Life in Agaga. The events of life is in constant motion. I was just intimating my brother here about the new offer we got in Onitsha.
Really?
Oh yes. We have a very big offer. An entire park has been assigned to us in Onitsha and we'll be taking off in a few days.
Oh yes.
But beyond that, I want to say that I am happy. I'm indeed happy that we're talking as brothers now.
Sure.
A lot happened, but look at us today. And that is because we are growing every day and now you understand life.
Yes, more better.
Life is not a war front and life is not hard. We choose to make life difficult. Life is like a stage. You come as a performer, you perform, and you go. And someone else will come. Because all that we fight for here, we're not going to take with us when we're confined in that little box that takes us 6 feet below. We're not going to take all these things with us.
That's true.
But overall, I'm happy that you're here.
Can't worry, man. Can't worry, man.
Okay, come on, man. Oh, partner.
I'm sorry for everything, huh?
It's okay.
No problem.
Your baby no go stay again.
Alright, now one love, man.
Alright.
You see. Oh, go on.
Nkiru, if only you had adhered my advice when I told you to leave Obiora alone in that park, things wouldn't have been the way they are today. Okay, imagine the okaka of a human being, senseless and worthless, that you use as a tool to hurt Obiora. He has automatically turned into a tiger. Just a day after the local government chairman was relieved of his duties. See, can you take a very good look at me and read my lips? I hate friends who do not listen to advice.
I messed up. I messed up big time. I shouldn't have gone for Kaka and his group. Obiora was far better. He was far better. He gave me peace. There was no trouble at all. Nancy, what is happening to me now is the clear example of the adage that says, the devil you know is better than the angel you do not know.
Oh.
Oh God. Okay. I don't know what to do. I honestly do not know. Do you think Obiora will forgive me if I go to ask for forgiveness?
Forgive you? Forgive you, you say? For what exactly now? Okay, over the fact that you took food away from his table? Or no, over the fact that you rained all manner of despicably abusive words on an old woman whose granddaughter is mentally deranged? Is that what he is to forgive you for? I am very sure he will not forgive you. And me being in his shoes, I will never, over my dead body, will I forgive you. Yes, look at me. Didn't your mother beg you? Didn't your sister beg you? I equally pleaded with you, but you refused to listen. Miss Know-it-all, anything you decide on is final. You don't listen to advice.
But you know you caused all this. Yes, you caused everything. You were the one that told me how you used to see them and...
Wait, hold it. And what? And what? Okay, now you want to put the blame on me? And what now? Okay, as a friend, if I had seen anything happening around you that is not palatable, it's not my duty to inform you. That same thing I'll do to any other person that happens to be my friend. What are you talking about? Did I do something bad? Okay, friends see things and friends say things. You, as a human being that God has created like this and given a brain with the cells complete, why did you not sit down and evaluate your actions before messing things up for yourself? And today you want to put the blame on me? That's not possible. What are you trying to do? If only you believed and listened to Obiora, believe me, things would have been better today. You want to go and apologize? Sincerely, I've been following Obiora up since Kaima got back to her senses, and I haven't seen him anywhere in her house, or both of them together. Yes. Now I'm very certain that it was with sincerity of purpose he was trying to help the old woman and ensure that Chikaima got back to her senses. But you know, you messed everything up.
Hey. So what should I do? Because you see that Okaka, I will so deal with him. Do you know that he doesn't give me my own share of the money as agreed? The only thing he does now is to rain abuses on me, call me all sort of names. That stupid boy that I knew when he was wearing only one trouser. I will so deal with him. I will disgrace him in this village. No problem. But I hope you won't advise me to let it go. Because I will not.
I beg you, calm down. Calm down. Every time you want to fight here, fight there, fight that. That's the only thing you know to do. Why are you like this? Now you want to go and fight Okaka, Abi? My friend, relax, I beg. Let's be going to your house to sit down and think of how to provide solutions to this problem. Yeah, ranting. You want to go and fight? Go and fight now. Is that not what you've been doing ever since? Come, let's be going to your house, I beg. Don't come. Let's go and think of what to do.
Instead of you to give me good advice, I don't even know where you learnt the English from.
You what now? I don't see you.
You! In the park now, boy, no?
What's your problem?
No. You had the mouth, you had the nerves to join Okaka and be insulting me and my family. Okuya, today I will show you that I was born and bred in the barracks.
Give me! They boy you for barracks. You even come out, they talk am. See, I be cat up boy, I know they fear anybody. Now Jegule, they bomb me. If you not leave me now, I go tear you. I'm not going to even use my eye look you.
You say what?
Then what are you?
You say waiting. No, you be a Jegule. Make I show you say barracks and a Jegule. It's barracks and a Jegule. They don't get comparison. They don't get comparison.
Nkiru, this is not Okaka. He's an errand boy to Okaka. Now leave him.
Then tell him to shut up.
Please,
tell him to shut up. He was busy insulting me today at the park. Idiot! I will deal with you. Tell him to close his mouth. Did I do any wrong by giving them job?
Did we beg you for? We did not beg you for any job, eh? We did not beg you for any job. Did we beg you? We were hustling and fighting for the job by ourselves. Is it you collected the job from Opera because you think you have the lens to open it as wide for that humanizing chairman who was taking you and your friends? Because you think you can open your leg as wide as you like. You open it for the chairman, that stupid humanizing chairman. Now, she has slept with you and your friends. Including... Let me not say everything here. Idiot!
No.
Stupid girl!
You are the one the chairman.
Very proud!
Me?
You cannot even go and beg up Dora.
You are the chairman sleep with.
Stupid!
Let's go. Leave him. See ya! Let's go, tell me.
Arablago. Oke mmiri ezumezu. N'ala nọ nzo. Ekumeku n'ala nzo. Nkwọ n'ala nzo. Eke n'ala nzo. Oye tụọ nọ nzo. Ife ọbụla na-ele nzo. Na-ene nzo. Asị m otu gbakwa alụ. I said it here that day that a family was involved in this act. How sure are you that the little girl is not involved?
That is why I'm here. Because Kaima said she ate noodles from her father's house before the madness started. And as you can see, anyone who has gone through such mental torture, we find it very difficult to remember certain things.
We need to ask questions. What's the child's name?
Her name is Edith.
Edith. Okalusi ezumezu. Anya mmadụ avụ ụzọ. Kedu na ebe mmiri si ba n'opi ụgbọgụlụ? Who is Cecilia?
Cecilia is Edith's mother.
Hey, look at what transpired. Osandu, you can't say what transpired. She is an innocent child. She gave her sister something she ate through her mother. She does not know that what her mother calls spices for noodles are actually charms to kill her own sister. The girls first thought who gave, but I shall ask them to retrace.
Are you saying that Edith's mother is responsible for Kaima's madness?
Kukumeku, Carlos and Namova. She knew what happened, and now she is preparing for a second bomb since it has affected her only daughter. It's all about jealousy and envy. She jealously took away everything that the father left for the first daughter. She saw the bond between father and child and felt that hers was neglected, especially that of the first son.
Ngongo, you are a great dibia. I personally went to see her and asked her, Nana, who we knew as a very rich man, does it mean he didn't leave anything for Kaima? She said no. Ngongo, things are really happening.
The girls are showing me everything here. She wanted Kaima dead. She's been pretending all this while. She doesn't want her to inherit anything. But the gods I serve hates injustice. And I shall command all to come back to its rightful places. You will see the gods at work.
How sure are we that she's not the one that killed the husband?
Okay, Milezumezu. Her hands are clean on that. Just that she has a bad friend who advised her wrongly. Go home and you shall see wonders. The gods are going to move, and in the next AK market, you'll come back with a she-goat to say thank you to the gods.
Consider it done. You are a great Dibia. I will do everything as you said. Thank you.
Go home, Masando. You shall see wonders. The gods are going to move in a very special way.
Thank you. Thank you.
I don't want to go back to that native doctor's house again. I have given my life to Christ, and I swore on the altar of God that I will never go back to my old ways again. I regret all the advice that I gave to you. Thank God, Kaima, sanity is back. I am happy.
Monica, did I hear you say you regretted all the advice you gave to me? My daughter is mad. The only way out is go back to complain to the man. You've been out of town and I was waiting. Patiently waiting for you to return so that we know what to do. And you're here telling me that you've given your life to Christ. So I should do what?
Cecilia, I am not the one that asked you to start having envy and jealousy over the way that your late husband wrote and handed over to his lawyers. I am not the one. You connived with the lawyer to change it. Let me ask you a question, Cecilia. What is wrong in a father willing some of his property to his daughter whose mother died at birth? What is wrong? As soon as the man died, you came up with all the stupid ideas, all the stupid bad ideas. Yes, I know you will tell me that I gave you the advice. Yes, I did. But that was then. I have changed. I have given my life to Christ. And I can't go back to my old ways. I can't go back to my old ways. So if you want to go back to that native doctor's house, you have to find a way. Find a way. Yeah, find a way and go back there. Leave me out of this place. Oh, Monica. Honestly, I feel like laughing sarcastically.
Really? You give me all the advice. Why didn't you stop me? You brought all the plans. As soon as my husband died, you came to my house with all your negative plans. And now you want to back out. Really? No problem.
Yes. Yes, because you made some promises to me, which you never fulfilled. Anyway, that was then. Like I said, I have given my life to Christ and I can't go back to my old ways. Oh. If you want your daughter's sanity back, you know what to do. Please keep me out of this, okay?
Hey, not too fast. Okay, you see this place? You are not leaving. In this case, we die here. We're in this together. So, you're taking me back where you took me. My daughter is mad up since I need her sanity back. What are you trying to do? Walk out from me? So I do what? You know I don't know my way to that place. So what do you want me to do? What do you have me do?
Cecilia.
Yes?
Cecilia.
Yes?
Cecilia.
Yes?
How many times did I call you?
Oh, please.
Cecilia, you know the town. Go to that town. Ask question about the native doctor. He's a non-native doctor in that town.
Really?
Please, leave me out of this. Leave me out of this. And I will advise you. Hand over that will to that little girl. And do as your husband instructed. Excuse me.
I said come and sit down. Sit. What do you want to do? What? Now listen to me. What is wrong with you? You're not leaving this place. I said you're not leaving this place. Look at me. Monica, you lie. You see that place? We are going there and there's no going back about it. There is no going back about it. When you gave your life to Christ, you forgot to tell your Christ that you had unfinished business with the devil. Move, let me see you.
Excuse me.
Are you aware of the things your late father willed to you? Do you have any idea about anything?
No, I don't. Though I remember my father would always tell me that when I'm done with my medical school, that he would show me some things. But he didn't get to show me before he died. I also remember him telling me that his lawyer knows where everything is. That's the much I can remember.
Why I'm asking you is that the Dibia said a lot of things. And from what he told me, what happened to you is from your stepmother, and Edith was wrongly used.
Edith? How? I don't understand.
All you said about eating noodles is true. Because if it's the same day, everything was asked. Though the Dibia asked me to be silent because the gods will fight for you. Edith was innocently used. I will advise you to start planning on going back to school.
Kai. Go back to which school? Where do I start from? How? I mean, it's over a year now this thing happened. And I don't even know where my phone is. I've lost contact. I've lost virtually everything. There's no way I'll go back to school and the stigma of that madness will not follow me around. Who will even take me serious? How? Where do I start from? The bottom line is I don't understand why my stepmother will do this to me, because I don't know what did I ever do to this woman? What? Hey, don't just touch that book. What are you doing here?
If you calm down.
Igwe, what are you doing here?
Calm down. Your head is fine.
Are you mad?
What?
Obi.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're here?
Yes.
Hope no problem.
No. There's no problem at all. I have missed you so much, so I thought I should pay a visit.
Is that so?
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Get her a seat. Informer, get her a seat. Be fast about it. Be fast about it. How have you been?
I'm fine.
Hmm?
Fine. Obi, you're looking so fine.
Thank you. Please.
Obiora, I know I have wronged you so much. I realized my mistakes. And I also realized I shouldn't have done all the things I did. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. Please.
Okay, Ruka. I have told you before now that we're not quarreling. But as far as relationship goes, you and I are done. Forever. You hurt me. Oh, you hurt me. You stabbed me in the heart. You thought I was going to die. You did a lot of outrageous things. But we're still here. Informer, my sister, is still alive. Eddie, my friend, is still living, you know? Because God is not done with us. You know that when you have God, you have life, and when you have life, you have hope. And your tomorrow is pregnant with great possibilities. I have learned how to live without you. I have found happiness and peace living without you.
I don't know what came over me sincerely. I regret my actions. Sincerely. I wish I could turn back the hands of time. Obi, you know, to err is human and to forgive is divine. Please, give me another chance. Please. Please. Go.
Nkiru, you wanted my brother to hang himself. That was why you threatened to sleep with the local government chairman, of which you did. So why are you here?
Is it because people didn't laugh at us as you expected? Is that it? Listen, my brother will marry Kaima. The same mad girl you accused him of sleeping with. Yes. As we speak, her family is already making arrangements with her family. And there's nothing you or anybody can do about it. So please stand up and leave.
I lost my livelihood because of Kaima. I give everything up because of Kaima. I was thrown to the dogs because of Kaima. But Kaima is the one that I have chosen to marry and spend the rest of my life with. Nkiruka, I don't want you to come back here ever again. You and I are done. Forever. Ifeoma.
Brother.
I need you to take that seat back inside. I'm going to work.
Okay. If you call my name, if you call my name,
If I'm still here, please.
You're still here. I leave. Leave! Leave! You can't be talking quietly. You don't. You're not mad. I do not want to see you in this house again.
Wicked Lucifer in woman form. Ajomo kajomo. Hello.
Obaino. Hello, ma'am.
I did.
Alpha now. I'm alright.
I saw I came on that phone. I'm going to do it.
Okay, better. Hey. Well.
Alpha now.
What the one man?
Hey.
What's up?
I did.
What about your sister now?
Oh, why now? We did. She's fine.
Obiora, guess who I saw today?
Who?
Nkiru now.
Ah, that one.
The one's Nkiru.
That one. Would you believe that she was here earlier today?
What did she come for?
She came to apologize to me. She came begging, asking to come back to me. You know that the local government chairman that she was sleeping with?
Oh, yeah.
You know, he's been fired now. He lost his job. And then Okaka and his group also turned their backs on her. So what was the Okaka now? Hovering around like a corpse. Zuzubata here. Come and talk about love. And I made her understand, listen, I have nothing against you.
Beautiful.
But as long as, you know, it has to do with man-woman relationship, you know, we're done now. Beautiful. Forget about it. It will not happen. It's not possible.
Yes. Why will it be possible?
It's not possible.
Obiora, listen. Do not even take her greetings.
Anyway, we could talk better thing abeg. Alpha, you don't chow?
No, I never even chop, sir. I've been thinking today what I'm going to do with my stomach. You know, country is hard.
I swear to God. Anyway, I did some jobs today, so I was able to raise some cash.
Correct.
It's not much though, but at least let's go to Wine place and eat good food,
Because leave that woman. That woman's food is expensive now. Wine Navy, a plate of food, 3.5 extra 1.8. Man, then go. You go there today, it's 3.5. You go back there, or say that dollar went up. How does dollar affect food? I beg. Let's look for these people in a wheelbarrow. You know, these vendors that carry food around. Go buy food from them now. You know. Mineral Juloi. But it's Yoku now. It costs or no cost.
See, I just hear you each time I lie on my bed.
What?
Obiora, I just hear you each time I lie on my bed. I'm full of them would come mad again or what? Hey! My man. My man.
What did I do again?
Obiora, you have a good spirit. And your sister too.
Hey.
If it's my own sister, Iruka, or Kaliti don't uzuro wanine until I give her the money. Look at it.
I understand.
Thank you very much. May God bless you.
It's mad. It's mad.
And that's why I said that let me come and take you out at least. Let's have a good meal.
Okay.
Kylie good in Kebe is bondi. You can't be stingy to your stomach. Or the quite possible.
It is fine. Oh
yeah.
Final answer.
Yes.
Wine Navy.
Yes.
We move.
Too much. But at least, let's have a good meal.
No problem.
You can't be stingy to yourself. You know, you don't get stingy. Ever forget. My man. You do want.
Hey, brother. You didn't tell me that Kaima is well.
Look, I told you now. The very day I got the news, I told you maybe you didn't hear me or something. What was it?
I can't remember. Just that I saw her in the market buying foodstuffs. And she was so beautiful, brother. Hey! I even dreamt where Obiora did her traditional marriage. And we are happily dressed. And there were a lot of food to eat, brother. Hey! I can't wait.
Hey! Chineke on anywhere. What you cannot do does not exist. Hey! I pray this your dream comes to reality.
But you know my dreams used to happen.
Oh yes. What is you? You see, Obiora loves her so much. And will do everything possible to make this your dream come to reality. You know what? Go and get me down my local drink, please now. I work out Russia missing. I work out for you know? Let me just take one shot,
You and drink.
Go, please,
Okay.
Hey!
Woman, what do you want?
I came with the woman.
And you lied to me about the girl I said madness to. It's because of you. People like you that made most native doctors in Africa appear wicked. You will come and tell lies about each other. Oh, I blame myself for believing in you totally, without inquiring for the truth from the gods. Even that woman that came with you, that conspired with you, that is now preaching repentance, she will not be spared.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I did all that out of jealousy. However, I am regretting all that I have done. Please.
What do you want me to do?
I want my daughter to be whole again.
You have guts! Oh, you want your daughter to be healed? Yet, you paid heavily for another woman's daughter to run mad. Have you seen your life? Hand over everything to her according to her father's instruction. Even that stupid barrister that the young man trusted will not be spared.
I'm sorry. Please. I need to be forgiven. I will do as you have instructed. I will hand everything back to her. Just to make sure that my daughter is okay. I will. Please, forgive me.
Woman, let me tell you this. Your daughter's mental issue is not from this room. What the gods are telling me now is what I will tell you. Go home. Do the needful. Then come back. I will tell you what to do. You know, in life, we all have different destinies that are tied to us. Oh, I blame myself by falling into your tricks and lies because I trusted that woman, Monica, that brought you here. But she too will not be spared.
I've heard you. I will do as you have instructed and come back.
Go. Go. The hearts of men are indeed wicked. Atola malo malo. Atola feke. Feinsi no afia.
This guy I like it.
In a gonu go. Forget that thing.
Now see onya we bottle This guy we bottle go check fish oh.
Oh, Dana.
I don't want to fight oh.
Thank God I was able.
But you deserve it, man.
That's just it.
One again now. Hey, you get
You know the funniest thing? This because she thinks she's a guest. She wants us to cut ourselves.
Just imagine.
You know you be short man. You short man.
Go there for using it.
I don't know who she wants to take.
Where are you two? Oh, chairman, man. I'll be all chairman. You're not woman power. I shall follow me. Is it like?
If you are you, fine. And you? Well, as you can see, I'm fine.
I actually came to see your brother. Is he around? I mean, it's been long I saw him.
No. He traveled to Onitsha for a business trip for like 3 days now.
Oh.
Yes, but he called me today that I'll be coming back today.
Okay, he's coming back today.
Yes.
I'm glad he's fine.
Yes, he's fine.
Seems like you are a teacher.
I teach.
Oh,
that's what put food on our table.
Yeah, that's good.
You know, since my brother lost his job at the park, we have been trying to, survive.
Sure.
My brother had to sell our small piece of land for your sake. Yes. To tell you the truth, I was angry with him. Yes, I was. But it's all good. At least the aim wasn't defeated. You're fine now. The money wasn't wasted. And all glory to God.
Ify, hold on. Did you say he sold a piece of land for my sake?
Yes, he did. He used all the money.
What kind of human being is your brother? No, really, Ify, no. I've been saying he's an angel, but of a truth, like, I don't understand. This is beyond being an angel. What kind of human being is he? You mean he sold a piece of land for my own sake? Somebody he does not have any blood affiliation with. Somebody he does not know from Adam. Like, it's not like I know him before everything happened or something. He just saw me and my... Like...
Kaima, it's okay. My brother Obiora is a very good man. I have never seen a man as good as Obiora. Even in the euphoria of your mental state. Yes, Obiora is fond of you. But that is how he is. Like, he's so good to a fault that he puts everybody first before him. He's a very nice person.
Shy. Ify, you're lucky. Ify, I want to ask you a personal question. Hope you don't mind.
Okay, go on.
Is your brother married?
Obiora, no, he's not married. Though he had a serious relationship, but the girl messed up. So he had a problem in Lagos, relocated to the village. He was given a pack. Finally, the pack was collected from him, and since then he has been jumping from one job to the other. Nothing really stable. Yes. But why did you ask?
Nothing. I just wanted to know. No, I just asked, I just wanted to get to know him more.
Okay.
Though I have a boyfriend. He's a medical doctor in the US. Yes. Though I lost contact with him when I was sick. I lost my phone and everything, but we've reconnected after I got another phone. And I told him about Obiora and everything he did for me.
That's nice. I actually wanted to talk to Obiora about you and... Never mind.
Me and what?
Don't worry, nothing.
No, you were about saying something. Come on.
It's nothing. Trust me, it's nothing.
Ify, I'll be forever indebted to your brother. He is my silver, my gold. Because really, I don't know what would have become of me if he had not come into our lives. To think that he sold a piece of land for someone he has no blood affiliation with, somebody he knows from nowhere. I still marvel, because I find it very difficult to believe that people like him still exist. What kind of human being is he? What kind of... How do I begin to describe him? And I say it with all honesty. I have never seen a man like him. And I will be forever indebted to you and him. Thank you. Thank you for allowing him to be who he was to me. God bless you.
Hey, the one
Good afternoon.
Kaima.
Eh?
My cousin, no. Hey, see how beautiful you look. Kaima, you're a fine girl, oh.
Thank you.
Hey.
I'm coming from your place.
From my house?
Yes, I was with Ifoma. She said you went to Onitsha.
I went to Onitsha to pursue something. Eh?
I actually came to see you.
Eh?
Yes.
Hi. Sorry, you missed. Hi, Chineke Namo. See how far you are. Come on, you're a fine girl, oh. Don't be shy, da.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ifoma told me what you did.
Ah. What did she tell you?
She said you had to sell a land to pay for my treatment.
That one is bygone now, eh? Forget that one is in the past. Those are sacrifices we should make for one another. Eh? But I'm happy. Look at you. Hi. Eh? Our enemies came late though.
Mubiora, you're a very nice man. God bless you. God bless you.
The enemies came late. Can now gwage. Eh? They go why jang wa chale pitosin no. For what, Kwana? Eh? Chukwajo. Eh? They came late. The devil came late. Eh? Hi. I'm so happy to see you. All that I did, all the sacrifices I made, is so that you can turn out like this. And live your life to the fullest. Okay, Gota? I am so happy.
Thank you.
Yes, let's go back to my house now. Enter, let's go. Or you will come later.
No, I'll come back later. I need to go home. My grandmother is alone and I have to do something for her.
It's fine. Would you like to chop something when you come? You got something. Look at you.
Don't worry, when I'll come.
I'm going to give you a high five. Omali Changwa. Hey. Ayana, I'll see you later.
Okay, I'll come.
Hey, fine girl. You can say that for now. We just stop working under the sun. You are too fine for this sun.
Stop now.
Oh, yeah, come and be going. Come and be going. Omali Changwa. Start your machine. Let's go.
It is this your stupidity that your father saw and wrote a will that left you with only shops and mansion in the village. Because he already saw the stupidity and foolishness in you. How could you leave your only sister, who you know that is insane in this whole house, and left?
What is my business on Edith and her sickness? So I should stay in this house and would go out because of Edith? You are the mother who should stay in the house and look after her. As for my late father, he has done what he thinks is right for him. Leave it the way it is. Mom, I'm not stupid. Neither am I a fool. I can make my own money. Please, do not fight for me.
Shut your mouth up. Look at you. Eh? Look at who you're talking. Can you hear yourself? First son of the family, and you are here talking nonsense. What the heck is wrong with you? What? You can make your own money, right?
Sure. And stop being wicked for nothing. You made me hate my sister Kaima. Telling me all sorts of rubbish about her. She was mentally sick and you couldn't allow me to see her.
I'm a friend, shut up! I begged you! I begged you to go and see her, but you refused. Yes!
You see, your friend Monica told me everything you did. Are you surprised? I advise you, Mom, keep my father's instructions the way it is. if you did anything to my sister that affected her, you better go and undo it. Any day I have a headache, I will do something you won't expect. I never asked you to fight for me. Mom, Kaima came before me and Daddy had his own plans for her. Leave it the way it is.
Monica, how dare you? Ejike said you told him everything. Why? Is gossiping part of being a born-again Christian? You're a bad friend. You should have stopped me with all the ideas. No, rather you brought yours. You took me to the native doctor. You made me connive with the lawyer and did all sorts of things we did, and now you're stabbing me by the back. I want everything I give to you after all this. I want you to return them immediately. Because you can't be having a worldly position and be claiming a born-again Christian. When someone is born again, all things are passed away, including the things she or he got by crook or hook. I want them immediately before I do something stupid. Get them!
Osando, have you seen that we have some good DBS around? The one you went to is a very good one.
Thank you. Thank you.
I have seen that prayers doesn't solve every problem. Was Kayama not taken to prayer houses and few amount of money spent? Yet, what was crying could not close its mouth. If I want nebe, I can't nebe.
Prayer is good.
Of course.
Very good. But man should look elsewhere when it comes to certain matters. After all, when Jesus Christ saw a blind man, he took sand with his own saliva and did certain things. And asked the man to go to the river to wash his face.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Why didn't he tell the man to go and pray? Yes, I have brought that from the Bible.
We are talking about prayer.
Yes.
Prayer. The ones we've been praying for this country. Now tell me, what has happened? What has happened? Like we Africans, we continue praying and dying in poverty. If you go to other countries, you see how things move in their place. It will seem there's no heaven. But black man continue praying and praying and praying, yet nothing to show for it. As a matter of fact, my brother, I have learned one thing.
Which is?
That hospitals are for the sick, not church. Where some ignorant people like us will run to without first going to the clinic. Just like your sister Chinwe too came out to the church before all of us came out. As a matter of fact, that woman Cecilia must provide everything Nana left for his daughter. If not, she must dance naked in the market square. There's no joke about it.
No. See, the Dibia has finished everything and demanded for a she-goat, which I have provided.
Good.
Yes. I'm only waiting for the results.
Let's keep waiting.
I'm waiting for the results.
Let us keep waiting. I think that is there. Let us keep waiting.
I've been looking for Kayama's whereabouts, and at least let me confess to her and ask her for forgiveness. For some days now, I've not been sleeping. And I don't want my husband and the children to find out what is going on.
Ah, you don't want your husband and the children to find out what is going on? Huh? Well, my own is that my younger sister, Edith, has not gotten herself. Nobody took her to the hospital. Instead, my mother here locked her up in a room so people won't know. I'm so ashamed of you both. Look, whatever my father has given to Kaima should be returned immediately.
May I have the things with you?
What about the share you gave the lawyer?
It's none of your business. Besides, the lawyer is dead. So, I don't know how to collect it.
Take it. Thank God I did not touch the money. That is all with me. And please don't call me again. Do not call me again.
I'm not even planning.
Don't call me again. I regret being in such a dirty plan against that innocent girl. Nonsense. Is there any other thing more so that I can return it then?
Why discussing such a thing with my son? What has come over you? Are you sure the madness has not started with you, that you can't control your mouth?
Take everything to that girl, Kaima. Take it to her. Girl, you are evil! You are evil! Give your life to Christ.
You are the beginning and the end of evil! Devil.
I never told you how it all started. It started in a lecture hall. On that fateful day, while I was receiving lectures in school, it started.